I tested the two absolute top products on the market in 2026 for high pressure cleaning without electricity, the Jetterix and the JetHose. And I took advantage of the opportunity because both come with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So I knew I could send back whichever one I liked less, no questions asked, zero risk. At the end of this video, I'll tell you which one I sent back. But first, heads up, I put the official manufacturer link in the description. And this matters. That's the only place where you get the exclusive discount reserved for people coming from YouTube. The only place where the money-back guarantee is actually valid. And the only place where customer service is fast and fully automatic. The moment you buy from an unofficial reseller, it gets complicated immediately. Delays, middlemen, no guaranteed refund. So if you want complete peace of mind, use only the link in the description. Now, let's talk tech. Both use hydropower technology, a system that converts the flow from your regular garden hose into a high-pressure jet capable of blasting away 100% of dirt, mold, oil stains, and years of built-up grime on any surface. Concrete, wood, vinyl, brick, glass, car paint, all of it without damaging delicate surfaces, without harsh chemicals. 3 steps. Attach it to your standard hose, lock the nozzle in place, turn on the water. 30 seconds and you're cleaning. On the numbers, both are very close. The Jetterix has over 5,800 verified reviews with a 4.7 out of 5 rating and over 8,000 satisfied customers. The JetHose shows comparable numbers in the same range. On paper, nearly impossible to separate them. The real difference comes down to 2 things. First, price. The JetHose is currently at 60% off, the Jetterix goes up to 75% off, so Jetterix is cheaper up front. Second, spray modes. The Jetterix offers multiple spray patterns for different surfaces. The JetHose has 2, including a wide fan mode that's perfect for rinsing your car without leaving streaks, and a concentrated jet that in real use felt slightly more powerful for attacking seriously stubborn stains. Both cleaned my entire deck in under 40 minutes. What used to cost me $175 hiring a professional, I now do myself for a fraction of the price. And both are light enough to use for long sessions without any fatigue. So, which one did I send back? I sent back the Jetterix, not because it's bad, it's excellent, and at 75% off, it's a genuinely great deal. But in real-world use, I found the JetHose slightly more powerful on the really tough stains, and the fan mode for the car is noticeably better. A small difference, but that's exactly what made the call for me. Either way, both have the 30-day money-back guarantee, but again only through the official website. That's where your refund is instant, no friction, no fighting with a third-party seller. The link is in the description, it's exclusive for people coming from YouTube, and stock sells out fast. Click now and get your home looking the way it should.